Howdy folks, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you're all well today, and it's cooled down a bit in the UK, so it's a bit more comfortable for doing this video. So as always, if it's the first time watching our channel or you're a regular viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It's interactions like that which keep our channel well up in the YouTube rankings and near the top of the page. And just as, if not more importantly, it's customers, not just visitors, that pop along to our website that means the channel will be able to continue and grow. So today we're having a look at a very nice, longly awaited set of binoculars. We've already sold our first one on pre-order, and it's the Viking Osprey 8x42, and these are ED and flat field, and we'll come on to all that very shortly, but let's just have a look at what you get with it. The usual, excuse me, the Viking white box there that you see with many of their products now. Very nice quality. The case there with the Velcro strap and a neck strap there, and or shoulder strap, and it also has a little compartment inside should you want to put your cleaning cloth or maybe a notepad and a pen inside. You have the usual all-in-one eye cuts for the eyepieces and removable or drop down for the objective lenses. You get a very high quality padded neck strap there. That is very nice. But also you get inside this box, you get this little case, and inside that case we see lens cleaning fluid. You see a little brush there that you can use for getting your dust off. And it also comes with a very nice microfiber cleaning cloth. Don't know if, where did I put it? Oh, there it is, silly. There all the time. Yeah, the Viking Osprey cleaning cloth with an osprey on it. I hope that's an osprey anyway. So anyway, on to the binoculars. I actually, as soon as I opened the box and took out the case, I thought, yeah, these are definitely a bit heavier than the Viking Peregrine 8x42, but they are exceptionally light. And at 695, these are still a lightweight binocular. It's just after using the Peregrines, these do seem a bit more substantial. They have a very similar design to the Peregrines, but with them being flat field, and I'll confirm one way or the other if I know further down the line, sometimes with flat field technology binoculars they have an extra lens or two somewhere in the body just to help give you those nice straight edges you know, throughout the view, but or maybe the extra weight is just in the body itself, construction wise, but when I know more I will let you know about it. And so the nice smooth focuser, probably that there are no tight or weak spots. It doesn't move as freely as one or two other the Vikings, but as you can see what I'm doing there, just one finger, that is very good. But yeah, definitely no tight or loose spots there throughout the range. It's quoted as 2 meters focus. I got it down to about 1.5 meters, which is even better. The field of view 142 meters at 1000, so a very wide picture window field of view. Twist eye cups. The eye relief is not quoted, but I would guesstimate around about 16-17 millimeters, and with them down, with your glasses on, there is plenty there if you wear spectacles. So what we have is 1, 2, 3 clicks, and so just do the usual check. So without twisting, trying to push them back in, not budging. I'm putting quite a lot of pressure on there, not budging. Yeah, no problem at all with the eye cups. Very nicely done, very easy to use and handle. Maybe a slightly longer body than some, which is great news, because these little parts here to put your strap through, connectors. They don't touch the inside of your hand when you're using them. And while I remember, and I've just had some other Viking binoculars delivered at the same time as these, which I will do a review on at some point. There's no plastic packaging in the Viking, inside the case, inside the box. I can see, other than that bit of plastic around the little cleaning brush there, but the binoculars themselves, there's no plastic at all in the packaging. So the most important thing, flat field, what does that give you? Well, what you get are straight as a die, straight edges right to the edge of the view. The image sharpness is there right to the edge as well, just that slight fall off, just out of 5%, but nobody's really going to notice that in the real world. So yeah, as you would expect from flat field binoculars, an amazing view across the field. If I were just to give it a very, very quick comparison, because I know one or two of you may ask in the comments, how do they compare against the Hawke EDX? Well, I would say the Hawke EDX give a slightly brighter image, but these definitely give a little bit less chromatic aberration, and but you know, the differences are very small, and you get that extra sharpness on the edge. Now, on the subject of image brightness, you know, compared to the Peregrines, you're not going to look through these and it's going to be like night and day difference in brightness. So you think, well, why am I spending the extra money? But when you think about it, to use an example, think of a television set. You get a cheap and cheerful telly set that you can turn the brightness right up, and then you've got another set costing 10 times as much. The image doesn't go as bright, but you get that clarity and sharpness throughout the view. I hope that sort of explains, you know, that brightness is not everything. You know, the only thing that matters with binoculars, it's about the sharpness and clarity. You know, it doesn't matter which one gives the brightest view, it's about that quality of view. So yeah, 142 meters at 1000, which I believe is about 8.1 degrees. Picture window wide field of view, stunning colours and contrast. 90% of the time you will see no chromatic aberration whatsoever, with sharpness to the edge, nice straight lines, no pincushion distortion. It's only on very, very high contrast subjects. I know I keep mentioning it, like your birds, and I've been testing these, you know, very, very heavily lit branches. In the centre of the view, nice and sharp, there is still no chromatic aberration whatsoever. It's only when you go off to off centre to the right, you might see a little bit of purple or red colour fringing, but in the real world people are going to look through these and say, what colour fringing? I can't see any. But that's because I've looked through so many binoculars, I can be quite critical. Slight red tint there to the coatings. I'll have to just check the other Vikings to see if they, I know some binoculars have that sort of coating, others it's I think with some of the Visionary HDs it's a green coating, but yeah, a cracking set of binoculars if you're looking. And these come in at 499 or 529 excuse me, for the 10 times 42. But yeah, you certainly get a lot of specification for your money compared to what you would pay for in years gone by. So I hope that helps. That's a quick look at the Viking Osprey ED flat field 8x42 binoculars. Please check out the links in the description below where you'll be able to purchase from us, and thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time.